Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm from Philippines. I am Maria Celeste Roselio. Just call me Marcel. I'm 41 years of age, college graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, related to hotel and restaurant management. My work experience is in Saudi Arabia for 4 years from 2013 to 2017, finished contract. I serve one couple and two children, ages 7 years old and a newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, and take care of the children if the nannies are not around. I have also experience as a hospital cleaner in Saudi Arabia from 2018 to 2025. I work as in hospital housekeeping. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the all areas of the hospital, disinfect all the areas, and sometimes take care of the patient if they want help. I'm a hardworking person, trustworthy, polite, and obedient, and I'm hoping to see you soon. Thank you.